Hey, this is Jeff with Texar Auto Glass. Just want to make a quick video showing you how to find a leak in your windshield. Usually this happens one of two scenarios. Either you got a really good deal on a windshield replacement, you know, it was $130 or something like that. You found the guy on Craigslist, great deal. He was in and out in 20 minutes, looked great, everything was fantastic. You go to the car wash a few days later and you got a water feature in your car, and it's no fun. You go to call the guy back up, not answer his phone, doesn't come out to fix stuff. That's usually what you get when you get a really good deal. So just something to be careful of. The other scenario is oftentimes you'll get a used car at a dealership. Used car dealerships generally, they're going to replace the windshields on the cars that they're selling because it takes the value, it increases the value of the car. And nobody wants to buy a car with a broken windshield. Generally a used car dealership is going to use whoever's cheapest today. So same thing, the used car dealership isn't going to want to fix it because they don't know if it was there before or after. At least they're not going to own up to it. So I'm going to show you how to find a windshield leak. Other common things to leak are sunroofs, body seams, that sort of thing. But this is one way to rule out the windshield. So what you'll want is either some soapy water, or we usually use a foaming glass cleaner. This was what we use. It's ammonia free. You always want to use the ammonia free stuff. This is our test vehicle. This is an old Chevy pickup. I've made a leak here, so you'll be able to see. I just cut the adhesive, so you'll see what it looks like when there is a leak. So what we're going to do is we'll just take this foaming glass cleaner, foam it up real good. Over here, I've got my compressed air, and you'll see bubbles. See those bubbles come up? That means that there's a leak. So that's a quick, easy way, and you can do this around the entire windshield to test it. Soapy water also works just as well. So you don't necessarily have to go buy the glass cleaner. That's just what we have handy. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks.